We've heard a lot about bail reform and its impact on crime in the city. But prosecutors across the boroughs tell us there's another reform having an even bigger impact. It's called discovery, the process where the government shares crucial evidence with defense attorneys. Investigative reporter Mahsa Saeidi joins us now to explain how this is also impacting public safety. Mahsa?
Yeah, it definitely is. Now, this new law took effect around the same time as bail reform in 2020. Now, prosecutors have to submit all the evidence to the defense by a strict deadline. District attorneys tell me that deadline is unreasonable, and one place they're seeing an impact is on survivors of domestic violence.
I was home and I heard the door open. I thought that he was here to kill us.
He was back in the house.
He was back in the house because I no longer had an order of protection.
This mother tells CBS 2 the case against her alleged abuser was tossed on a technicality. She didn't want to reveal her identity, but she wanted to share her experience.
I fear for somebody to be in a position that I was in. Discovery is destroying people.
What happened to this client that you just spoke to is by no means an isolated incident.
Attorney Ann Glatt says she's seeing more cases dismissed in criminal court.
I just assume that when a client's abuser is arrested, that it's not going to proceed to conviction.
Prosecutors always had to give the defense records, but now they have to turn over everything, including audio, videos, even lab tests on a strict timeline. If even one piece of paper is late, they say, the entire case can be tossed out.
Before I was in office, right after the law changed, a significant spike in dismissals statewide.
Court data analyzed by CBS 2 shows that dismissals have jumped more than 10% statewide, and it's double that across the 5 boroughs. Now nearly 7 of 10 misdemeanors are being dismissed in New York City.
DUI cases and our misdemeanor domestic violence docket, I mean, those are significant cases.
Manhattan DA Alvin Bragg says attorneys should have the information to prepare a proper defense, but there needs to be more flexibility. He says if the accused was not harmed by the omission, the case should not be dismissed.
Judges are interpreting the statute differently. So I think that is one issue, and so that's why I think we need some clarity. Clarity would help.
I believe that many of these cases should never have existed to begin with.
The discovery laws changed after the Khalif Browder case. The teen accused of stealing a backpack was held at Rikers for 3 years before charges were dropped. He later took his own life. Defense attorney Callie Conliffe says she fears reforms will undo the progress.
It's very emotional, yeah.
Why?
Because, you know, I was working there at the time. You know, this was the experience of my clients. This is what I experienced with my clients every single day.
Glatt says the law should be fair to defendants without putting her clients at risk.
It doesn't have to revert to the same way it was before, but this is unsustainable.
Mahsa, how is this impacting crime overall?
So it's not impacting felonies. DAs are focusing their limited resources on those cases, making sure they have discovery. It's a huge task. NYPD data shows citywide homicides and shootings are down.
And how does this, I guess, New York system compare to the rest here in the country?
So before, we had one of the most restrictive systems in the entire country. Prosecutors were able to withhold evidence until the eve of trial, effectively blindfolding defendants. But now prosecutors say that no other state requires them to hand over so much information on a strict deadline.
Yeah, bottom line, lives are being affected on both sides. Mahsa, thank you.